Welcome to another session of verbal reasoning for competitive examination. Verbal reasoning for all types of competitive examination. Kangaroo is to Australia in the same way as. Now, what we have to notice that kangaroo is the name of an animal or creature, and Australia is a continent, not just a place, it's a continent. So we should have first a creature and then a continent. Whale River. We have a creature, but this is not a continent. So, this is a general habitat, a water body, a river. This is not a continent. Elephant Russia. Elephant Russia, we have creature, country. Russia is not a continent, it's a country. Then, the next one, Penguin Antarctica. There is a creature and continent. This is possible. India Peacock. First of all, it's a country, and then we should have the creature first and then the continent. Here the creature is coming afterwards, and also it's not a continent, it's a country. So again, this is cross. So the only possible one is the number C option, Penguin Antarctica. So the answer will be C. Skith is to reaping in the same way as. Now, in case you don't know what it is, you can see the image. This is used by farmers for harvesting or cutting the crops. And the next picture is shears, which is also used for cutting or pruning the garden. So, what we have is the first is an object, an instrument, and the second is a utility. It is used for which purpose? What is the use of the instrument? First is the object and second is a utility. Now let us check. Light. Light is not an object. It's a form of energy. Next is shear cutting. Okay, object utility. We can consider it as possible. Saw gluing. Again, we have an object and utility, but it is a wrong utility. A saw is used for cutting, not for gluing. So it's an incorrect association. Screw hammer. Hammer is not a utility. Both are object. Screw is also an object. Hammer is also an object. We don't have object and utility. We have object and object. So this is also rejected. So the only possible we have answer is option B. That is shear and cutting. And you can see how we cut with the shear. Program is coded in this way. How will appliance be coded? Now let us see. Write the original word and the code. We find that P is replaced by Q, the next letter, that means +1. +1 means next letter. R is replaced by T, R, S, T. O is replaced by R, 3 letters. After O, P, Q, R. G is replaced by K, that means 4 letters. After G, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. R is replaced by W, 5 letters. R, S, T, U, V, W. A is replaced by G. After A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And M is replaced by T. After M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. Now do the same thing with appliance. Appliance A +1 B, P +2, P, Q, R. After P you get Q, R +2. Next P. Now 3 letter forward. Q, R, S. Next L. 4 letters forward. After L we have M, N, O, P. After I, 5 letters forward. I, J, K, L, M, N. After A, 6 letters forward. After N, 7 letters forward. Then we have after C, 8 letters forward. And after E, 9 letters forward. So this is the code we are getting. So this will be the code for appliance. What comes next? Now in this one, we will always check the first letter, first letter, first letter, first letter, then the second letter, second letter, second letter, and the third letter, third letter, third letter. So check the first letter. What we are getting? S plus 1 next letter T plus 1 next letter U. So by logical extension, plus 1 the next letter should be V after U. Now the second letters. C plus 2 C D E. Then again plus 2 after E F G. Again 2 letters after G H I. So by logical extension after G plus 2 H I. Check the last third letter. After D you are getting plus 2 E F. After F again 2 letters. What you are getting? G H. So by logical extension after H I will get E F G H we have got. Now I J will get I J. So J will be the thing. So what we have got? V I J. So this is the code required. No, not the code, the sequence required. After this, the next sequence will be VIJ. There is a code word which should come after these three. A, B, C, D, E, F are seated in a row. E, F are in the center. A, B at the ends. C is to the left of A, who is 3 places to the right of D. First, we have 6 seats. We have 6 seats. Now we put E and F in the middle. So in the middle, it can be first E and then F, or first F and then E. Here, if we put E, it will be F here. And here, if we put F, it will be E here. That's why we have put E by F and F by E. Then, A, B at the ends. So it can be A at this end and B at this end. Or it can be B at this end and A at the other end. That's why A by B, any one of them, and the other one will be seated here. C is to the left of A, so we cannot put A here because there is no seat to the left. So we have to put B here and A here. So this B has to be here and A has to be here. And C is to the left, so we put C here. And the remaining person, D, is put in the vacant place, so we put D here. So this is the order we get. So counting from D, the third person to the right is C. So from D, count 3 places to the right and you end up in C. Now, as far as E and F are concerned, it makes no difference whether it is E, F or F, E. D, E or F anyone, again the E and F anyone, and then C. So C is the third person after D. We take each of the instruction point by point and we arrive at this conclusion. Thank you. That was our reasoning and aptitude for competitive examination. WhatsApp and email us. We'll come back with more such videos. Goodbye.